Tasha from WTI. I want to share with you guys this luxurious hand cream. It's Dionis's goat milk hand cream.
It's really great. I love the size, especially because it has this little screw cap and I don't have to worry about it accidentally squirting out in my purse or my pocket because it also fits in my pocket. It's very silky when it comes out and I just need a small little dollop for my hands, and I feel like I'm going to be able to get every last drop out of this bottle. Probably will, because I love it so much. The texture is soft and silky and very creamy, but at the same time, I don't feel any residue. I don't feel an oily residue or a tacky residue. Sometimes when using those really moisturizing creams, this has happened to me in the past where it leaves a tacky residue. But this, I don't have to worry about it. My favorite scent is the eucalyptus, but it comes in all kinds of other scents. Here's some of my other favorite scents I've chosen as well. White jasmine and shea, blue ridge wildflower, and blood orange. But you don't just have to choose these scents. There's so many other scents available, so much variety. You'll just have to try it yourself. My hands are still so soft and moist.
I don't like to be uncomfortable when I'm out and about, and I like to be prepared. So this is something I definitely will always carry with me. It's also great for when my husband wants a little bit of cream on his hands. I always have it ready for him.
It's small and compact and fits nicely into my purse without taking up a lot of space.
In short, I recommend this product, but that's just my point of view.